Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm doing part 2 to my dolphin nail art. So if you did not catch that video, the link is in the description box, okay? I also have the musical version in which I made the music, okay? So links to all of that will be in the description box. But before we get started today, let's give a hey girl, hey to my favorite nail crew member, my Gram.
What you watching, Granny?
If you have thick polygel,
You watching Nikki?
you can definitely do 2 or 5 nails at a time. If your polygel is more soft,
Oh, Granny. She on the
go
TV?
ahead and make sure that there's nothing.
That's Nikki on the TV?
All right, now crew, so let's get started. I just thought that was so cute. I had to share it with you guys. So I have some smile cutters. I got these right from Amazon, and yes, I will leave the link in the description box. But I have some deep smiles, and then I have a shallow smile, or just like a regular smile. And I also have like some chevrons and some other weird shapes that I'm probably not going to use with this. I don't even know what that's for. It's probably never going to get open. I just want the smile cut, okay? Maybe even the chevron, we'll see. I don't know. But there's a whole bunch of funky things going on here. And I brought the whole set because just in case one day I wanted to try it. I actually have 2 of these. This one looks identical to my old one, so maybe I'll give that one away. But basically, you guys, it came in a set. I really just wanted the smile cutter, but it came with a bunch of other stuff. So we'll see how that all works out. Okay, so now I'm testing the blues that I want to use. I already have the dolphin down, right? So now I need some kind of blues that's going to remind us of the ocean, but also like pair well with the dolphin. The dolphin is a star of the show. So I'm just testing some of my blues. The acrylics that I'm using today, these are dip powders from Sparkle & Co, you guys. Even though they're dip powders, I am so rebellious and I'm using them with Monomer because that's kind of just, I just like to do it that way, okay? Sparkle & Co, if anybody's watching from Sparkle & Co, I hope you guys are not upset with me for disrespecting your dip powders, but they just work so well with Monomer. I can't help myself. So anyway, I'm testing out my blues. And so far, I don't know, you guys. Like, so far, the colors that I tested, the 2 that I tried, are not really saying ocean, you know? They're blue, but they're not saying, like, ocean blue. So, I don't know. I'm just going to continue testing them out. You guys tell me what... Ooh, this one is cute, and there's some shimmer in there. So, you guys tell me what colors you would have used for this look. But, you guys, that one looks so pretty. Yeah, we definitely got to use that one. And it's like shimmery, like a little fine shimmers in there. I'm not going to call it like a glitter powder, but it's definitely like some shimmers in there. And then number 77, this one might be cute too. I don't know, you guys. I'm so confused. They all look so scrumptious, but I don't know which one to pick. That one might be too dark. Nah, that one's too dark. I need like the same blue as the dolphin or something close because I want it to be like, I don't know, like oceany but matchy with the dolphin. Okay, just go with it. Okay, go with it. Just go. Ooh, glitter. This one is so cute. This one is so cute, you guys. Yeah. Yes, darling. Yes, darling. Yes. Okay. So these are the blues that I have. So now I just kind of have to visualize what would look better as my ocean theme, you guys, and what will kind of pair well with the dolphin. So anyway, this is just how I do it. If you guys have a better way to decide what colors to use, please let me know. All right. So let's get started. I am going to use Peach Blossom from iGel Beauty. I've had so many of you guys ask me, do I use iGel Beauty? Do I own iGel Beauty? I'm like, do I own iGel Beauty? I have like a ton of iGel Beauty. Do you hear me? That 60% off sale had me crazy last year. And guess what? The 60% off sale is still going hot and strong. So if you guys like this color, head on over to iGel Beauty and purchase it. I do not have a coupon code, unfortunately, but yeah, they still have a 60% off sale. So you do not need a coupon code, okay? I think you could get the jar of acrylic for maybe like $4 or so. Really, really affordable. Some of their colors play very well with monomer, like the one I'm using right now. Others not so well. It's kind of trial and error, but you know what? For the price that you pay, you really can't complain.
What I do? Oh, you cheated. I thought you was doing this organically.
I do sometimes.
You ain't talking about smile lines, but you got a smile too.
Get out.
Smile, bitch. You like motherfucking doofus right this. Let me see your dolphin. That's why I can't see your dolphin. That's your regular line.
My spirit animal. I know. I know. People are gonna think I'm obsessed with dolphins now. Did you guys hear my little dolphin laugh? Low key, that's my regular laugh. Oh, I'm trying so hard not to do it now because I do not want you guys to make fun of me. But yeah, that's like low key my regular laugh. It sounds like a dolphin. People tell me that all the time. So yeah. Yeah, Nail Crew, you reached another level of what you know about me. You know, drop a secret about you in the comment section below. Let's just all share. Okay, so I have a dolphin laugh. Tell me something unique about you. You know, let's just all just share. A little share circle. All right. So anyway, I cheated, as Aunt pointed out, and I carved my smile line with the smile tool, and I mean, hey, came out quite nice. I actually like my new smile tool, right? And then I took my file and I shaped up the smile just to make it a little bit more nice, but it was so nice already, you guys. My smile tool, I just love it. I love it. All right, so now let's add the blue. You can do this any way you want. And in fact, all three nails are going to be slightly different, but still look cohesive. So the first thing you want to do is nestle up a blue, any blue, okay? Nestle up the blue right to the smile line so that there are no gaps between the waves and the smile line, or the shore. Shall we call it the shore? Yes, we shall, okay? So the smile line area, the nail bed, that's going to be like the sand, right? Yes, it is. Just go with it. And then the blue waves that we're going to create is the water. So the dolphin has somewhere to go. Yeah, look at that, creating a whole scene. So now that I have a thin layer of acrylic, or that blue color, nestled up next to the smile line or the shore, now I can add my swirl. And as you can tell, I just started with small wet beads, and now I'm just taking the brush and I am just swirling it about. My last video where I did a swirl nail, I used an uncrimped brush, so it was round. And it was big. It was a size 14. And my swirl came out okay, but I wasn't really 100% happy with it because it was hard. Like, it was just really hard to do because the brush, oh my, it was just, I'll drop that video below. You guys can catch it if you want to. But using a flat, smaller brush to make a swirl, you guys, just makes all the difference. I am having zero issues doing my swirls, and this is how a swirl is supposed to look, in my opinion, okay? So the last video I did with the donuts, you guys, and I had the swirl, it was cute. Like, it really was cute, but I don't know. I just felt a little self-conscious about it because I didn't have the proper tools. So anyway, I am enjoying doing this blue water swirl ocean vibe. Like, I'm really feeling like I'm about to just take a dive. Like, look at that. Looks like a calm sea with a little bit of waves, right? Okay, so the first one I started with the darker blue, and now I'm going to start with the lighter blue just to switch it up so you guys can see, different blues and, just do whatever you want, just do whatever you want. I'm going to just switch it up on each nail. Then you guys can decide how you want to do your swirl. So either way, you still want to start by nestling up the color close to the shore. Okay, you really want to start with that. And keep in mind, if the blue overlaps the natural nail bed color, right? If the colors overlap, it's fine. Don't worry about it. You did not mess up. It's a-okay. Just keep on going. So now that I have the light blue in place, let's add some other colors. And I'm going to do the glitter because I want you guys to see what happens when you add glitter. Glitter is so heavy that gravity is just going to take it. Do you see how it's just falling down the nail? Like, you really cannot help that. So if you're swirling with glitter, I've said this before too, but I just want to point it out. If you are swirling with glitter, use a little bit at a time because the glitter is just going to just fall. It's going to get saturated with the monomer. It's going to become heavier and it's just going to fall down a nail. So if you're new, make sure you keep that in mind, okay? Make sure you keep that in mind. The glitter is heavy. When you saturate it with monomer, it's just going to run down the nail. So use small beads, work quickly, make sure you have a small brush. And if you mess up, guess what? You file it off before it hardens. File it off before it hardens. That is so important. And then start again. All right. So either way, you know what? The glitter is a little bit more difficult to work with when doing it like this, when trying to swirl it. But in the end, it looks so good. It is so worth it, you guys. I freaking love that. And that big chunk of blue right in the middle, I could swirl it out and blend it more, but no, I like it. I like that. That to me looks like a wave. Like, who wants to go surfing, right? I got you a wave right here, you guys. That is the surfing wave. You know what I mean? Hello. I love. Okay, so now let's move on to the last one, the pinky. So again, we are going to nestle up the blue right along the smile line, just so we don't have any gaps. And then we are going to swirl. And I'm going to swirl this one just slightly different, just so, again, you guys can see me do it different ways and pick whichever way works for you. Now, this bead is a lot bigger than the bead I should have started with. You do not want to start a swirl now, especially on a pinky with such a large bead. I don't know what I was thinking, but let's just roll with it. So now, look at that. So I have all the blue on one side, and then I have the other blue on the other side, and I'm kind of like mixing it together. The other nails, I put the beads inside of each other. Did you guys peep that? I put the beads inside and then mix them. This nail, I kind of just kept them separate and then swirled it. So either way, you're going to get a beautiful swirl. You just got to see what works better for you. And I like this one. I like them all. I like them all. I really do. And I'm just taking my brush and just going back and forth until it is blended the way that I like. And let's add some more. I'm not completely happy with this one yet. Let's just keep on going until I am, though. That's the thing with the swirl nail. Like, it's all unique, all the nails are going to be different. You can just keep on adding a little bead here, a little bead there, and swirling it around until you're happy. This one looks like it's coming along, but let's just add a little bit more. Look at that. Yes. I added that little bead and it just came like, yeah, I already know it's going to be lit. Yep. It's lit. It's lit. So you guys, we have 3 swirl nails, aka the ocean. Okay, the ocean. And we have our little beautiful dolphin. This is a gorgeous scene, you guys. This is a gorgeous scene. Well, in my head it is anyway. In my head, it's just beautiful. All right, so I let that dry for a little bit. And now, remember when I said if the colors overlapped, don't worry about it? Well, here's why. I got my hand file, and if there's any blue that overlapped my peach blossom color, all I have to do is file it away, right? And you could use a hand file like I'm using, or you could use an e-file. If you use an e-file, just have it on a low speed because we're not really shaping or anything like that. We're just filing away the excess color, right? So now once that's done, we have to encapsulate. So I'm using the clear acrylic from my website. So I will leave the link to my site in the description box. I'm using my clear acrylic and I'm just going to encapsulate. So we all know by now, right, why we encapsulate. One, to build the apex of the nail, to build the structure of the nail, but also because we don't want to file away all the beautiful nail art that we just did, right? If I was to file over the top of my wave, well, my wave will be gone. It would just be filed away. So I'm applying the clear acrylic. That way I can file, shape, and buff and not worry about disturbing my beautiful ocean scene, okay? So I went ahead and left the first one in real time. And I'll speed up the rest because it's going to be exactly the same. So let's just hurry up through that. I'm just going to quickly throw some clear acrylic on there. And yeah, pretty much that's it, you guys. So like I said, the clear acrylic is from my website. I will leave that link in the description box below. The monomer is also from my website. If you guys are looking to try a new monomer, check me out, check me out, check. I'll even sing for you guys. Check me out, check me out. No, I'm just kidding. That probably had the whole opposite effect. All right, guys. So once all the nails are encapsulated, they should look something like this. And so now it's time to file. Grab your hand file or e-file and just file, you guys. File. I hardly leave my filing and shaping in my videos because the angles that you have to do to file is just so uncomfortable to do it on camera and stay in frame. It's like a whole magic trick, but you know, sometimes it works. And today, somehow, I'm managing to stay in frame. So you guys can see how I file. But literally, I just have an arbor band and I'm just smoothing over the nails. If this was a real client, the only thing different I would probably do is have a safety drill bit, you know, something like that. But other than that, pretty much the same. So this is what the nails look like. All I did was take my arbor band and just go over the surface of it. I really didn't have to do anything other than that. Thank God, because we all have those days, right? Where you have to pull out like a jackhammer, a hand file. You go through like 3 drill bits and the nails still do not look right. Like, yeah, okay. Today was not that day for me. Thank God. Thank God. All right, so now I'm applying my top coat. The top coat is from Sparkle & Co. So the acrylic that I use today, Sparkle & Co., right? The top coat that I use today, Sparkle & Co. Are you guys seeing the theme here? Yes, you guys, I'm setting you up. I'm having a Sparkle & Co. giveaway really soon. I just don't know how I want to do the giveaway. Maybe you guys can help me. Basically, I'm going to do a shopping spree, maybe like $50, right? I don't know. We'll see. $50 shopping spree on Sparkle & Co. I just have to decide how many winners I want, how I'm going to do the giveaway. Like, oh my gosh, it's just all these things I have to consider. But anyway, yeah, it's coming. So I was kind of like trying to hype you guys up, seeing the beautiful blues from Sparkle & Co. Get you like, yeah. Get you guys hyped and ready. So when I announce the giveaway, you guys are excited. So I hope you guys are excited. All right, you guys, that is a wrap. This is what the nails look like. So stinking cute. I freaking love them. I hope you guys love them as well. Let me know if you're going to try this. I want to know. I want to see a whole bunch of dolphin nail art out there. Send me your dolphin and your waves. Please send it to my Instagram. Link to my Instagram in the description box. I cannot wait to hear from you guys. Love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.